Oh, okay. So for this part of the video, I am going to teach you the ppm. Kung paano mag-solve po ng ppm concentration. Okay. So this is the sample exercise number 1. What is the concentration of a solution in parts per million if 0.01 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1,000 grams of solution? Okay, so let us recall the formula. So in order for you to get your ppm, you'll have the mass of your solute over the mass of your solution times 10 raised to 6. That's your ppm. So for this part, i-identify natin ang ating mga given. So we have the mass of your solute. It's equal to 0.01 gram, and the mass of your solution is 1,000 grams. So, para i-solve natin yan, ppm is equal to the mass of your solute, 0.01 grams, over the mass of your solution, which is 1,000 grams, times 10 raised to 6. I-input mo lang yan ulit sa calculator mo, and then you're good to go. 0.01 divided by 1,000 times exponent 10. Op, careful tayo sa pag-i-input ha. 10 raised to 6. So your answer here is 10 ppm. That's your final answer. Easy peasy. Ibig sabihin, para makakreate ka ng 10 ppm, if you have 100 grams of solution, you need 0.01 grams of solute. That's problem number 1. Next po tayo. Problem number 2. Your problem number 2, what is the concentration of a solution in parts per million if 0.07700 grams of sodium sulfate is dissolved in 325 grams of solution? Again, identify the given, the mass of your solute, and the mass of your solution. Nakalagay naman kung saan dito si solute or saan dito si solution. So, your solute is your sodium sulfate. This is sodium sulfate. It's 0.07 grams. And for the grams of your solution, it's 325 grams of solution. We recall the equation. ppm is equal to the mass of your solute over the mass of your solution times 100. So your ppm, substitute the values, 0.00700 grams over 325 grams times 10. Oop, mali to. Mali to nalagay ko. This is supposed to be 6. 6. Input lang calculator ulit. Ganun lang naman tayo eh. 0.007 divided by 325 times answer times 110 raised to 60. Pero pag-input. So, 21.54. Tama ba ako? Ulitin ko mag-input. Baka nagkamali ako eh. 0.07 by times 325. Guys, ulitin ko ha. Ingatan po ninyong mag-input. So, your answer here is 21.54 ppm. That's it. That's your final answer. Easy peasy. That's for your ppm. O, next naman tayo. ppb. Syempre, guys, these are just the basic, soon, later on, in your activities, you will be given maybe a more complicated problem solving. Okay? Siyempre, kakayanin nyo yan. At least I have taught you the basics. And, tingnan natin. Kailangan nyo mag-convert. Ganun lang naman. Very simple. Pero, kailangan nyo kasing i-analyze. Okay? Kailangan nyo pong i-analyze. Let's go. Sample exercise 1 for PPB. This is PPB. What is the concentration of a solution in parts per billion if 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 grams of potassium chloride is dissolved to make 1,000 grams of solution? So, the mass of your solute is 2.5 times 10 raised to negative 4 grams. Mamapay nga ito damot ti kastanan. Okay lang yan. Kaka-overwhelm lang kapag tinitignan kasi nga, so parang ang haba. Pero actually, parang decimal place lang yan na itinranspose natin. Alam niyo naman yun. Diba? Tinuro ko naman sa inyo yan. So, mass of solution is 1,000 grams. Once again, ganun lang din ulit. PPB is equal to the mass of your solute over the mass of your solution times 10 raised to 9. So, 2.54 ni 2.54 times 10 raised to negative 4 grams over 1,000 grams times 10 raised to 9. So, substitute lang 2.54 exponent negative 4 1,000 times 10 raised to 9. So, your answer is 254 ppb. That's it. That's your answer. That's all. Very simple? Yes po, very simple. Okay, let us proceed to your sample exercise number 2. What is the concentration of a solution in parts per billion if 0.00012 grams of ano to? Barium acetate? Double check ko nga. Baka magkamali ako. I think that's barium acetate. Diba? Galing ko. That's barium acetate. That's barium acetate. Okay. So, the mole of your solute, which is your barium acetate, it's your, it's 0.00012 or 1.2 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 raised to negative 4. O, ganun lang yun kanina. Yan lang yun. Okay. So, the mass of your solution is equal to 850 grams. Again, substitute mo lang ppb, the mass of your solute, over the mass of your solution times 10 raised to 9. Your m of solute is 0.00012, or you can just put this. It's fine. Whatever. Kung anong gusto mo. Okay po? And then the mass of your solution is 850 grams times 10 raised to 9. So, input lang ulit, 0.000 ni? Tatlong 0 lang. 1, 2, divided by 850. And then, times 10 raised to 9. So, your answer is 141.18 ppb. That's your answer. That's it. Very simple, as easy as that. Of course, in the following problems that will be given to you, marahil iba ang mga units na naibibigay. Take note of those. Grams, marahil naka-micrograms tayo. Marahil ibang other units of mass. Ang usapan natin, you just transform them, you just convert them into grams first bago po kayo mag-solve para hindi po kayo malilito. Okay? Naintindihan ba yon? Okay, so I will be uploading your activity in our Google Drive for you to work on. Those will be your practice exercises. Para syempre malaman ko kung nasundan or pinanood nyo talaga itong ating video lesson. Okay, thank you so much. Bye!